Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Atlee. Good morning, Bridget. Good morning, Dove. Good morning, Ember. Good morning, Harlow. Good morning, bunny girls. Looks like you're all still doing pretty good. Thank you. Good morning, honey. Have a good day, buddy. When I opened the door to fill up their food and water, Molly realized that's how you escape, and escaped. I got her back in, so now I'm hoping she doesn't figure out how to open the door like Honey did. She was over here pushing on it with her mouth a minute ago. Have a good day, Molly. We'll see you after a while. We have the possibility of a pretty yuck day, so I definitely want to make sure we get the coop clean this morning. Hey, sleeper inners! Let's get it clean for ya so it smells good in here today. Felicia, I'm not a fan of you being broody. I looked down here and I thought she wasn't alive. Can you get up and eat something? Go get a drink before it rains? Can you go get a drink before it rains? Oh, being super aggressive this morning. Go get a drink before it rains. I know, we don't need to be growing. Just got a feather in my nose. Oh my goodness. Come on. Go get something to drink before it rains. We got the coop clean for him. I went ahead and put Dwayne out in the yard. He can go hide under the deck if it starts to rain. These girls, we're gonna go ahead and go get their coop clean too. All right, Nun, it's time to get out. Go get a drink before it rains. We got it all clean for him. I did shut the coop completely up except for the automatic door in case it does rain. I'm hoping it doesn't get too hot and humid in there. I will check them, but we are heading out for the morning, so this afternoon, hopefully before it gets too hot, I'll be back to make sure that they're all safe and at a nice temperature. Kids are out here cleaning their stalls. I was coming to check on them, but instead, apparently I'm seeing a cow fight. Why are you girls being so grumpy lately? I'm over it. Be nice to each other. Molly's staying on her side. Halle and Felicity are staying on their side. Obviously, Halle and Felicity are being way bigger slobs than Molly is. Good job keeping your area kind of clean, Molly. Lennox had Honey out for a little bit, letting him run around in Molly's cage. Now he's back in his hutch for the day. And I gave him some extra treats. Have a good day, buddy. Luca just got done clipping all the bunnies' fingernails. She's always so good at making sure that they get done. Molly's all flopped out. Felicity's cleaning herself. She had been flopped out before we brought Halle back. And Halle's already all flopped out, so getting her fingernails cut must not have been that dramatic. Honey's flopped out down here too, so I think all the bunnies are good to go for a while. Sweet Harlow. Hanging out in the pasture. Is that grass taste yummy, Ember? Filling up Bridget's tummy. Looking pretty in that sunshine, Atlee. Dove, is your belly full? You don't need to eat any grass right now. You're a good girl. Hey, Buzzerbeak. How you doing? Did you lay any eggs yet? Hey, Felicia. I think you picked a good spot to be Broody. You can still see outside. I was just looking over here, and Moose almost blends in with the spot she is dust bathing in. Get good and clean, girls. It's pretty warm in here, so I'm gonna make these girls get out. Come on, go get a drink. All right, Luna, come on, sister. There you go. Go get a drink. Felicia, I feel like you should get up too. Oh, you had an egg under you. That's the first time I've seen that. Go ahead and get up and go get a drink. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Having a good day? Walking the perimeter of the runs? We got some cool water out for the chickens again. Now I'm gonna go open the coop, making sure everyone's staying cool in there. It's super hot in here, sister. I want you to come out. Come get a drink of water. Goodness, you okay? Go get a drink of water. Coming right back in. Hopefully opening that door will cool it down a little bit. Same for you. You guys should come out. I dropped an egg. Here's this nesting box, this nesting box, this nesting box, and these eggs. I'm not gonna record picking them up because I'm pretty sure I'll drop them trying to fight off a chicken. It's starting to rain, so we're gonna get these girls into their stalls. Hey, honey. I'm happy to see you up here not pouting. I feel like he's been pouting the last few days. Sorry. Felicity's over there flopped. Are you ready for a bedtime treat, buddy? There you go. Here's your bedtime treat, Halle. Here's yours, Felicity. Here's yours, Molly. Not gonna take it? All right, have a good night, sweetheart. It sounds like the storm is slowing down, or at least there's a break in it, so I'm just gonna give everyone a head scratch and then head back inside. Good night, Harlow. Ember won't let her get close to me, you big meanie. And the same with Bridget. Good night, sister. Have a good night. Ember turned around. The chickens could care less about it being raining right now, so when it gets dark, we'll go out and close them up. All right, ducks, it's pouring down rain, and it's plenty dark, so time for bed. Oh, no, go all the way in, please. Good night, guys. It was a pretty good day here, and now it's time for bed. Everyone's been given their treats and are tucked in. We hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.